Izakhamizi zase-Orlando West emzimhlophe naseyindaweni ezizungezile ziyenxuswa ukuthi ke iqhubeke zibe mehlomane kulandela ukuboshwa komshayeli wemoto ekhokhelwa ngebanga osolwayo ngokubamba inkunzi abagibeli bakhe ebakhombe ngesibhamu. Umsolwa okusolakala ukuthi ke besebenzisa imoto yakwaBolt ukuthola izisulu ubanjwe ngamalungu omphakathi ngemuva kwegameko eziningi bese ibikiwe wabeke sehanjiswa estation samaphoyisa eOrlando. Izakhamizi zikwemukelile ukuboshwa kwalomsolwa zathi ke kusazokuye kushaya umoya ngemuva konqwaba yezigameko ezifana nezalomsolwa ebezenzeka kule ndawo.
It was very tragic situation on Monday. Sivelelwe ukuthi usisi wami simrequestele lana ahamba ngeBolt. Just by the cave nje la estradeni bambamba inkunzi abafana wangena umfana emotweni wamkhomba ngesibhamu. Afuna iphone wamvulisa ama-bank apps. So nje it was just nje trauma for yena because nje akakabi nasharp namanje. Yes, I was just raising awareness ukuthi abantu babe careful because this guy akarobhanga usisi wami kuphela, like there were like 8 cases against umfana Orlando Police Station. So but we are happy to say the guy is detained in Orlando Police Station. Besicela ukuthi everybody nje abe very vigilant when it comes to e-bolts. It's not safe. There is house robbery yenzekile eLimbete Street, where people bangenelwe endlini around past 2 in the morning. Wangena abantu abagcoke uniform yama green beans. They asked them ukuthi bakhiphe amafoni, babakhipha ama-app emafonini. They wanted imali and everything. They managed ukuthi bathole imali. They even stole ama-heaters, itofu, igcathu ledorayo like abomakhavela nanani. So the family is still traumatized nayo nje, akusekho safe. They say imoto yakhona it was a 7-seater car, not sure ukuthi igama lemoto yini, but imoto yakhona bemhlophe.